Hello everyone and welcome to Saffron at Home. My name is Nitesh and I'm executive chef of Saffron. Today we're going to show you how to make butter chicken. In this kit we've got the recipe sheet with all the ingredients and the procedure. We got cream, butter, we got the gravy, we got chicken tikka in skewers, we got chopped garlic and kasuri methi. What you would need is a ladle, a pot with a lid, a baking tray with a greaseproof paper. If you don't have it, you can also use silver foil. Step 1, we'll preheat our oven at 180 degrees. I've done it already. I'm gonna start laying my chicken skewers. We're going to put this chicken in the oven now. We're going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and then check if the chicken is done. We'll heat a pan now and we'll pour about 50 ml of oil. We'll wait for oil to heat up a little bit. Then we'll add chopped garlic to it. We'll cook the garlic until it turns brown. You don't want to burn it. It's going to take about 1 minute to get the nice color. Meanwhile, we'll get ready with the sauce. We'll let the sauce heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, as you can see, the sauce is heated up. We'll add butter to it. We'll keep some butter aside for garnish. And the rest we'll just add it here. Make sure you keep stirring this until the butter is completely melted. It's been 20 minutes. The chicken is perfectly cooked in the oven. The butter is blended in well in the sauce as well. Now it's time to put the chicken into the sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully take the chicken out of the skewer. And if there is any juices, I'll just add it to the sauce just to get more flavors. I'm going to mix it so that the chicken is completely covered with the sauce. And now I'm going to add cream. Now again with the cream, and we'll put the kasuri methi in it. I'm going to mix everything. And all you have to do now is bring it to a boil. Now as you can see, the butter chicken is boiling. We'll take it off the flame and we'll serve it. The butter we kept aside, just use it as a garnish, and a bit of cream. That's butter chicken ready for you. Until next time, enjoy your meal.